lesson for today is a simple topography in Photoshop. You can apply this simple topography in every design that you want to do, every poster that you want to do. First, let us go straight to our Photoshop or our lesson. First of all, you have to turn the fill of black and white on. You have to turn it to black, and then press Alt plus Delete on the keyboard to fill your background with black. Secondly, you grab your text tool, then let's type something like love. Change the font color to white. Then let's expand our text. Let us center our text. Go to layers, then hold the background or locked background. You grab this to align to align it horizontally, and then align this one also. Let us duplicate this text. Duplicate it again, then hide one, hide the second one also, then leave the middle. You double click on the middle one, then use the stroke. You leave your stroke size at 5. Then you come to blending option. This is blending option. The fill of opacity should be 0. Then you press 0 or reduce it to 0. You see, now you can come back down to your main text, bring it back. You bring it back. You can apply the same thing. You can copy this one, come to copy layer style, then apply it on this one too. Now you hold shift on the keyboard and hold the first love copy tool and shift it up or move it up. You come to the second one, love copy, then bring it down like this. You hold both the love copy and love copy tool and press Ctrl on your keyboard, then press G to group it. You can go to layer mask, then add layer mask, then you choose a soft brush. Choose a soft brush here, then open or increase the size of your brush. You can increase the size of your brush here. Then you clean inside the layer mask. Choose the layer mask, then clean on it. You see, then you press the move tool, then you come back, then duplicate the grouped folder. Now let us use the second one. You open the second one, then hold shift, then move and hold the love copy in the second folder, then move it up once again. You come to the second one also, hold shift, then move it down again, then close the folder. You come to layer mask once again, then grab your brush tool, then clean inside the second text. This is a simple topography in Photoshop that you can apply in your graphic design or everyday design that you do. So right now, you come to the move tool, then hold both the right click on your mouse and then go to group from layers. You press OK, and then you come to FX. Then FX, you go to gradient overlay. You see, this is gradient overlay. This is what we have done, our topography. You can change the gradient overlay to any size you prefer. You can change it to any size that you prefer. You see, you can also use hue and saturation to change the color. You see, we have changed the colors with our hue and saturation. You can turn it off and also use the gradient itself to change the color as you see it. If you are happy with this tutorial, you can please subscribe and also leave a comment and also share the video. You can change the color of this, your main text or the main love, to any color of your choice. You see.